guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nafisa, but I go by Mina, and that's because people usually have a hard time remembering my name. This is my first ever video of 2020, and I wanted to do a little intro of talking about what this YouTube channel is going to be about and myself. This channel is going to be more about unboxing, beauty, fashion, here and there. People were inviting me to do it, and few of my friends. I was like, why not? Since we're in quarantine as well, we'll be more consistent on making YouTube videos. Like I said, lately I've been also loving unboxing, which I love doing. I ordered a lot of things online, so hopefully that we'll get those items soon, and so that we can do unboxing together. As much as I love unboxing, hopefully you guys will love it too. I got inspired by some people out there, so hopefully that it will inspire you guys as well. And yeah, thank you for watching, and again, if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe down below, and see you guys next time.